So, you're struggling with bringing your animations from Maya into Godot. Well, struggle no longer, because I am here to help. So, we spent ages trying to figure this out, because, before this video, when you try to search up how to bring animations from Maya into Godot, the answers are only, why would you do that? That's stupid. Give up. Take them over to Blender and export it from there instead. And I'm here to save you the headache and tell you that, no, you absolutely don't need to do that. It's actually not that difficult here. So, first things first, let's navigate to File and Game Exporter. This is a very good window. We like this window. And first, a, let's just save the base mesh without the animations. You probably don't need to do that, but I'm doing it just for clarity's sake. So just select all of your entire skeleton and your base mesh, and uh, export export selection. And you want to export it to a single file, you do not want to move it to the origin. And right now we do not want the animations, and you just pick where you want that and name it whatever you want, and you press export. And for the animations, you go over to animation clips, and here we can define, pick a frame range and define our different animations. So like these are a bunch of this entire thing is a bunch of simple animations I made for a game jam. So you just define all of the frame ranges for the animation clips you want. You pick the animations you want. I do not want base pose. That's just there. Still, don't want to move to origin. You do want to save multiple clip files. Up axis is why Godot uses that, so use that here as well. You can pick a prefix if you want. You can pick a directory, and you just press export. And now when we have our files, we open Godot. So this is just a new project. I haven't done anything here except open a 3D scene and create two folders for the files we want. So we can start by just dragging and dropping everything. So I just have my my base mesh and skeleton as its own file without any animations. You can drag in that first. All of this also have the base mesh, of course, but I'm just playing up like this for clarity's sake and for file structure's sake. So yeah, these are all my animations. Let's just drag and drop them. And if you're anything like me, you came to this step and went, oh, it's that easy, it's just drag and drop. That's nice. Because you open them up and you can play them and you go, oh, they just work. That's nice. Before you inevitably realize that, oh, I can't use any of these files. Because like you can drag this into the scene individually, and we can right click, make local, so you can see all of them. Press animation player and have the animations. But that's one animation, and you realize that no, you can't actually get the animations out of this animation player and bring all of them into one single list, which we want if we want a functioning animation tree. So what we do is we can bring this guy in here so we can preview things later. But first, you need to open up every single one of the FBX files. Press the animation. And here's the trick. You see this checkbox right here, save to file. You press that, and then you say I want it in the animation folder, and then you give it a name, and then you press save, and then you press re-import, and suddenly you have it as a .res file, and that is what we want. So you can go ahead and do that to to all of your animations actually. So I'll just have actually everyone is a bad one to preview. We can take the walk as well. So yeah, you just save them all individually after you've imported them. Oh, that one should go in there. And then you have .res files, and that means you also don't really need the FBX files anymore. They can be gone. Now you have .res files we can actually use. So here we can go in and create an animation player beneath our crab. And in this animation player, we can go animation, manage animations, and create a new library, which I will just name moveset. That makes sense to me. And you see this little file icon uh, that says load animation from file. We load, you navigate to the files we just created, and we open them. Just hit OK. And there you go. Now we have all of the animations we created in in one animation player, in one list that's ready to use in an animation tree. So yeah, I hope that helped you, because I was hitting my head against the wall trying to figure this out. It's kind of insane how little tutorials or documentation there was about this before I made this video that I was able to find anyway. So I kind of felt like I needed to make this as a public service. I'm sure there's many more out there besides me who had these issues, and I hope this video reached up. So anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.